This spacious home is ready to welcome its new family, complete with 4 bedrooms, plus a den on the first floor that can be used as a bedroom. There's plenty of living space for everyone. As we approach the colder seasons, you'll appreciate the screened porch off the family room so you can enjoy the beauty of nature while remaining protected from the outdoor elements. The large living room is great for entertainment, which can continue into the family room, complete with a beautiful fireplace. The large kitchen is a dream with endless storage to be found between 2 pantries. The breakfast room and formal dining room offer your choice of seating with ease of use for hosting guests. Head down to the basement, which boasts 3 rooms, a gaming area, an exercise area, living area, as well as an unfinished storage area. This home is located within Arlington Park, whose amenities include clubhouse access, 3 swimming pools, a tennis court, and a play area. There's also a golf course that can be accessed for an additional fee. Come and check this home out. It's ready to welcome you with open arms. Call Pamela Miller for more information today.